What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. And if you have watched my previous video some time ago, I made a video that how you can enable the 68Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 8. Now I am back with another video in which you have installed Inception kernel and you have also enabled the 68Hz display rate, but now you want to go back to 60Hz display. How you can do that? A lot of you guys have just commented that how to revert back to 60Hz display if you just flash the 68Hz DTBO.img. A lot of you guys liked that video, so I thought I should make a video on that how you can go back to 60Hz refresh rate. Now in this video I will tell you everything. Now make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so for that what you need is, first of all, let me just show you that how you can enable the 68Hz refresh rate. This is for those guys who don't know about this. If you watched my previous video you can skip this part, but if you are new to this video you can watch these steps and then we will go to this step, which is DTBO.img, through which you can enable the 60Hz display rate. First of all, you need to install the Inception kernel. In my case, Inception kernel is pre-installed as I already shown you. Let me show you once again. I have the Inception latest v6.3 kernel which is available for Redmi Note 8. You have to install this first, and after that let me show you first that I have the 60Hz refresh rate display right now available. Here it is. I have the 60Hz refresh rate available for my device. Now firstly we have to enable the 68Hz refresh rate. How to do that you already have an idea. Let me show you in brief. Once again, just boot into custom recovery once. Guys, in my case I'm using the Orange Fox custom recovery. By moving into custom recovery, just open the folder where you have the DTBO 68Hz refresh rate img. Click this one, click on DTBO, swipe to install image. This is the short and simple idea regarding how you can flash the 68Hz refresh rate. If you want full video you can go and check it out right now. After that, just reboot your device and then you will see 68Hz refresh rate in your device. So guys, after rebooting you will see in your device info app that refresh rate is changed to 68Hz refresh rate right now. This was very easy to use. The 68Hz refresh rate, you just have to flash the dtbo.img file and then you will be able to see 68Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 8. But yes, this step was easy and everything was done like in previous video. This was the same thing, but this is the main part where you have to go back to 60Hz refresh rate once again. How to do that? That's also kind of very simple. Same steps, nothing is different, but the file is different. Let me show you one thing. Just go to your storage once again. Firstly we have to flash dtbo68hz.img as I have already done. So this is not, the first part is not for all users. If you already have enabled the 60Hz refresh rate, you want to go back to 60Hz refresh rate, then you need to download this dtbo.img file. This is the file to enable the 68Hz. This is the file to enable the 60Hz once again. So as we are on the 68Hz refresh rate, now we have to flash this dtbo.img file. Same steps like this one. Boot into custom recovery, flash this file. Let me show you in brief once. So guys, after booting into custom recovery, just simply go here and now select this dtbo.img file. Don't select the DTBO 68Hz, that was for just enabling the 68Hz, but now we have to use the 60Hz once again. Just click and select the partition DTBO, swipe to install image, and it's done. Now we have just restored again the DTBO, which is the 60Hz refresh rate on Redmi Note 8. Let me reboot system once and let me show you that we have just enabled the 60Hz refresh rate on our device. So guys, we have just rebooted our device. When moving on to device info app once again, go to your system and here it is. We have the 60Hz refresh rate once again. By default it's at 60Hz. Then we have enabled the 68Hz as I already mentioned in my previous video. If you want to enable the 68Hz, you can enable that. The video link is in the description, you can go and check it out. And after that, if you want to revert back to 60Hz once again, this video is all about that. You have to flash the dtbo.img file once and then you will be reverted back to 60Hz refresh rate once again. It was quite easy, it was quite simple. I hope you understood. I hope you like this video. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.